Granddad, I wrote this song for you about kind of my take on your life based on kind of just some of the stories you told me. So I took some creative liberties on maybe your thought processes, but I hopefully got all the facts that you have kind of shared over the years. So this one is called Bird's Eye View.
Well, I'm all out of nickels and my rations are low. I climb out the smog side to Virginia I go. And they say it's for lovers, but that's not what I found. Just burly and broadleaf going to hit the ground. And I walk down the hollow and the air's getting thick. Said so long to my cousin and that cut to the quick. And my Honda should make it, but the car's running rich. Keep two wheels on the blacktop, stay out the ditch. And that's just a bird's eye view, a Kentucky born boy. My folks went off and left me, I'm not sure what for. I'm set up for failure, I'll do my best. A long life of toil with an ache in my chest. Oh, an ache in my chest. And this cicada hash just drums in my mind. The poplar branches reach up to the sky. And the broadleaf flowers, the best I've seen. Oh, Uncle Ansel said to cut them clean. And I work out here until the sun sinks low behind the blue-ridge skyline. And it starts getting cold and my body's aching. It'll work for now. Got a hole in my boot and sweat on my brow. And that's just a bird's eye view, a Kentucky born boy. My folks went off and left me, I'm not sure what for. I'm set up for failure, I'll do my best. A long life of toil with an ache in my chest. Oh, an ache in my chest. It's been a few years now, got a place down the road. This Chili Hodo Ranchers where I call my home. Anything with oil my hands can fix. My life's got a purpose, my kids have kids. And I think about those days now, they seem so grim. But now I can see it's alright in the end. And it sure wasn't easy all the times I was blue. But that Kentucky kid's dreams all turned out to come true. And that's just a bird's eye view of a Kentucky born boy. My folks went off and left me, I'm not sure what for. And I'm set up for failure, I'll do my best. A long life of toil with an ache in my chest. Oh, an ache in my chest. An ache in my chest. Oh, an ache in my chest. An ache in my chest.